Hi guys, my name is Elliot. Today we're installing these splash guards on the G8X M2. So for the front guards, all you have to do is turn the wheel to reveal the fender liner hardware. Using the included punch, you're going to go onto each of these 3 rivets here and pop them out by lining it up, pressing it in. We're going to clean off the bottom portion here for a small strip of 3M tape that's on the guards, using an included adhesion promoter pad and alcohol prep pad. Using included rivets and a rivet tool, we're going to fasten the guards by lining them up with the holes, putting a rivet into place, grab the rivet install tool, and just like that, fasten them in one by one. With the pre-installed 3M tape strip, just peel off the backing and stick it to the prepped surface. So the front guards do have slots in them to allow for a little bit of width adjustment before you set the tape. You can pull it or push the guard in based on how much protection of the fender you want. So even easier than the front guards, the rear guards use 2 8mm bolts to attach to the car, so all you're going to need is an 8mm socket. It's going to be these 2 bolts right here, closest to the edge of the bumper. So there are slots built into the brackets, which allows you to pull the guard in or out, just like the fronts, to adjust how far they poke out. The top bracket also has a small tab that will lock into the bumper edge and help to keep that guard in place. So that's it guys, pretty straightforward install. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and stay tuned for the next one.